In this guide, you'll learn how to delete an iCloud account on an iPhone. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is log out of your iCloud account. For that, launch Settings. Click on your Apple ID given at the very top. Scroll down, click on Sign Out and confirm it. Now launch your preferred browser, navigate to the website privacy.apple.com. Go ahead and provide your Apple ID's credentials. After you log in, you'll be directed to this kind of page. Scroll to the bottom page where you'll find the option to delete your account. Click Request to delete your account and follow the step-by-step instructions. You'll see a page that explains what you will lose, including messages, FaceTime, iCloud, mail, and other Apple services. Select your reason for deleting your account, confirm everything, and continue through the prompts to complete the deletion process. Keep in mind, it's a good idea to back up all your important data like messages, emails, and files before deleting your account because everything will be permanently lost. And that's it. This way you can easily delete your Apple ID. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.